Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'll make chicken Hakka noodles. I'll place a pan on high flame and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Then I'll take 4 to 5 spring onions and cut and slice the green and white parts separately. I'll add the white parts in the pan. I'll also take 2 cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger and chop and saute them. Then I'll add vegetables which I have cut into julienne style. A quarter cup of cabbage, 1 medium-sized carrot, red and green capsicum, and I'll saute them 4 to 5 minutes. Then I'll remove the vegetables from the oil. Now in the same pan, I'll add 3 tablespoons of oil. I have taken breast piece of a chicken and cut into julienne style cutting, and I'll add in the pan and fry it. Now I'll add the fried vegetables in and stir them to mix it. I have already boiled 400 grams of noodles as per the instructions written on the packet. Now I'll add these noodles in the pan. Then I'll add seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt or to your taste, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, vinegar 2 tablespoons, black pepper half teaspoon. Now I'll toss it to mix all the ingredients. I want it a bit spicy, so I'll add 1 teaspoon crushed red chilies. I will also add 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. Now I'll add quarter cup bean sprouts and the green part of the spring onions and toss or mix it. I will add 1 green chili cut into thin slices. Hakka noodles are ready now. If you like my video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.